Assalamu alaikum. How are you, children? Hope you all are fine and safe by the grace of Almighty Allah. Once again, I welcome you all in the virtual classes of Al Nadul Falah English High School. Today, I am going to teach you grammar, and our topic name is action verbs and helping verbs. So children, let us learn what verbs and helping verbs are. Let us first recollect all nouns are. So children, what are nouns? Noun names a person, place, animal or thing. Noun can be common or special. A common noun is a general name used for naming a person, animal, place or thing. For example, girl, goat, city and chocolate are some example of common noun. Next is proper noun. A proper noun is a special name given to a person, animal, place or thing. I repeat, Aditi, Billy, Delhi and KitKat are some example of special name. Now we will learn about verb, that is action words. Doing words are action words. They are the words that tell us what the noun or pronoun does. Verbs are an important part of a sentence. They complete the sentence. For example, Maria plays hockey. So here in this sentence, Maria is a proper noun who is doing the action of playing. So play is the verb. Next, Mohit cooks food. In this sentence, Mohit is a proper noun. Cooks is the action words or the verb telling us what the noun Mohit does. Then next, see the next example. Varun paints picture. In this sentence, Varun is a proper noun. Paints is the verb. It tells us what the noun Varun does. Next is cats drink milk. Cat is the common noun. Drink is the verb. It tells us that what the noun that cat do. Next example, the bells ring. So here bell is a common naming word for a thing. It is a common noun. Ring is a verb showing what the bells do. Now children, in this slide, I will read all the sentences and you have to pay attention. Teachers explain the lessons. The students listened carefully. Birds fly in the sky. So, here, explain, listen and fly are all verbs. Read, sing, run, play and jump are some common verb. Let us now understand what helping verbs are. First, look at these sentences. Okay. I am talking, he is cooking, they are traveling. So, if I ask you to identify the verb in the sentence, you would say talking, cooking and traveling are the verb. But we have other verbs in the sentences before the verb. They are, am, is and are. These verbs are called helping verbs. They are not doing any action like the main verbs. However, a helping verb helps the main verb by making it complete. They help the main verbs showing an action. Helping verb always comes before the main action verbs. Now here am, is, are, was, and were are some common helping verbs that you will learn in this section. Let us understand each of them. So now let's start it. Am, or, is, or, are plus the ing form of the verb are used to talk about an action that is going on the present, an action that is going on the time of speaking. So children, now let's start it. Am. Am is used with the word I. Am along with the ing form of the word tell us that the action is going on now, but am is used only with the word I. For example, I am skipping, I am exercising, I am eating. So here skipping, exercising and eating are the main verb and am is the helping verb. So we use helping verb with the subject I. Next is. Is is used with he, she, it and with singular nouns. So here now I am reading the sentences. He is reading a book. She is playing in the garden. So in this sentence, reading and playing are the main verb. Helping verb is before the main verbs. Tell us that he is reading the book now and she is playing in the garden now. Similarly, Mahesh is eating, the cat is sleeping. So, in this sentence, Mahesh is a singular noun and cat is also a singular noun. Eating and sleeping are the main verb. This sentence too speaks about actions. They are happening now in the present. We get to know that the action is happening now because of the helping verb is and the ing form of the verb. Now next is are. The helping verb are is used with you, we, they and plural nouns. Now I am reading all the sentences. You are singing, we are exercising, they are watching TV. In these sentences, singing, exercising, watching are the main action verbs and the helping verb are along with the ing form of the verb is telling us that the actions are going on now. Similarly, the children are listening to music. The birds are chirping. So here children and birds are plural nouns. So we have used the helping verb are. Then was or verb plus the ing form of the verb are used to talk about the action that was going on for some time in the past. So now let's start it with was. Was is used with he, she, it and with singular nouns. He was driving. She was dancing. So here driving and dancing are the main verbs. Helping verb always before the main verb. Tell us that he was driving sometimes ago. She was dancing before some time. She was dancing sometimes back. She is not dancing now. Next is was. It was running after the ball. Okay, listen children. Was is used with he, she, it and with singular nouns. Now I am reading the sentences. It was running after the ball. It was raining. Here, running and raining are the main verbs. Helping verb always help us to tell that the action of running and raining was happening some time ago in the past. They are not happening now. Next is Radha was eating. The dog was sleeping. In these sentences, Radha is a singular noun. Eating is the main verb. Dog is the singular noun and sleeping is the main verb. These sentences too speaks about action. They are happened in the past. We get to know that the action happened in the past because the sentence has the helping verb was plus the ing form of the verb. Now next is where. The helping verb where is used with you, we, they and plural nouns. You were singing. They were exercising. They were watching TV. In these sentences, singing, exercising and watching are the main action verb and the helping verb were along with the ing form of the verb that tell us that the action are not happening now. They happened in the past. The children were listening to music. The birds were chirping. So here children and birds are plural nouns. So we have used the helping verb were. Next is am. Am is used with the word I. I am Minu. So here there is no other action verb. So am is not the helping verb. It is the main verb. Again, one more example. This is a lotus. Here is the main verb in the sentence. Then next is are. Are is the main verb. Next is are. Are is used with you, we, they and plural nouns. We are happy. So here are is the main verb. Once again, this sentences speaks about the present condition. Next is where. Where is used with you, we, they and plural nouns. They were singing. Here too, like the previous sentences, there is no action verb. So was and were are the main verb because was and were talks about the past action. These sentences convey the meaning that he was singer and they were singer in the past but not now. We have learned a verb is a kind of word that tell us about an action or state. A few verbs do not show action but help us to complete their meanings. They comes before the main meaning such as such verbs are called helping verbs. Some common helping verbs are am, is, are, was and were are some helping verbs. I hope the concept of verb is clear to you. Inshallah, we will meet soon in a next video.